Two neighboring countries, but both nuclear-armed, India and China, for more than a year now, have been in a state of tense confrontation over border disputes. Both countries are customers of the advanced S-400 air defense systems supplied by Russia. S-400 Triumph is one of the most advanced missile defense systems in the world today and is considered to be a game-changer factor for the Indian Army. According to defense analysts, when receiving the S-400, it is likely that India will soon deploy in coordination with the multi-role fighter Rafale purchased from France to enhance its ability to protect its border with China. Abhijit Iyer Mitra, a senior fellow at the New Delhi-based Institute for the Study of Peace and Conflict, said that it is highly likely that India will deploy S-systems to deal with China. It's very likely that Rafale jets have also been deployed against China, not Pakistan. Abhijit Iyer Mitra added, the S-400 is an extremely dangerous system. When deployed in practice, it will create a solid defensive shield against Chinese aircraft. Thanks to the cover of the S-400, the Indian Rafale fighters will have enough time and space to fight back against the Chinese fighter. Explaining why Russia has adopted a policy of selling better equipment to India, not China, expert Iyer Mitra said that it is necessary to see this relationship as the way the US behaves between Israel and Saudi Arabia. The US used to sell F-16 fighters to both countries, but it favored Israel with superior F-16, so it ensured Tel Aviv had the ability to shoot down similar Arab fighters. According to expert Iyer Mitra, the S-400 converges a lot of advantages over Chinese fighters, such as the J-20. However, NATO has quite a bit of experience dealing with the S-400, especially in Syria, where Russia has deployed the S-400 to protect its military bases, Iyer Mitra said. The French have gathered a lot of electronic intelligence about the Russian system and integrated it into the Rafale jet fighters. Rafale of India against the S-400 of China is a much better confrontation than using Russian defenses against the J-20 and other Chinese fighters. Meanwhile, although China has been operating the S-400 for quite a while, it has no experience using them against French-origin aircraft as it does with the Su-30 and other aircraft of Chinese origin from Russia. This gives India a big advantage as the Rafale, under the cover of Russian-supplied S-400 missiles, will know very well how to dodge the Chinese S-400 and defeat the latest planes without a hitch, Beijing equips, including the country's fifth-generation J-20 stealth fighters. Thank you everyone for watching this video.